First time in Chengdu? Arrive with confidence with this guide, plus a sneak peek on my room tour. I'll be taking a direct flight from Singapore to Chengdu. This is a non-stop flight, will take about 4 hours and 45 minutes. Yay, we have arrived! Once you walk out from the plane, do look out for the signs says arrival or exit or baggage claim. Oh my, I think the arrival and baggage claim is so far away. Been walking for about 5 minutes, just walking. Before you approach the immigration counter, do fill up your arrival card. Some airlines do keep copies of this arrival card, so don't be shy, do try to ask. Don't worry, the arrival card do have English explanation. After you've cleared your immigration, baggage claim just behind. After you exit from the arrival gate, as usual, airports they do have money changers and also SIM card for sale. If you plan to take the ride-hailing like DiDi, do follow the ride-hailing signage for the pickup point. Once you reach your pickup point, do input your location pickup onto the app. Chinese wording are available in the description box below. Once you are assigned with a driver, look out for their car plate, whether they are even or odd numbers. Upon your pickup, do announce your last 4-digit contact number registered with the app with the driver for confirmation. Here you have reached the hotel, and the hotel lobby is located on the 4th floor. I've made the hotel bookings in trip.com. Hotel facility include a small resting area, beverage area, laundry area, gym, the laundry, there is a washer and dryer. Laundry detergent is free to use. Let's check out the room. Okay, proper introduction for this room. This will be in Chengdu. So once you walk in, you can just see your TV. There's a window, but window is on the fourth floor, so people will walk around at the balcony. A queen size bed. Bathroom is quite tiny. So you have your western toilet, wash basin, then you have your standing shower. Okay, standing shower something like this. Okay. Yeah, this is the queen size bed. This will be queen size bed. See, you can see outside people walking. Then the TV. Okay, let me show you how the view looks like. Yeah, yes, so the shop houses here, so you can see fourth floor people will be walking around. Oh. For window ventilation, so we can just close and lock the window. Okay, what do you think of this room? This will be in Chengdu, the nearby Chunxi Road, the famous tourist area. This per night will be 178 yuan. Do comment below what do you think of this price and room. Do comment below. On the next episode, we'll officially start exploring Chengdu. See and hear what Chunxi Road has to offer. See you on my next episode. Bye.